So hello everyone. So today we will discuss the entire midterm coverage, and the title is Historical Development and Evolution of Firearms. So stages of development of man's weapon. First stone, second clubs, third knives, fourth spears and darts, slingshots to hurl object, bows and arrows, crossbows, guns and missiles. So 10th century, black powder is thought to have originated in China, where where it was being used in fireworks and signals. So during 10th century, black powder is yagkwan siya, imbento or gagikan siya sa China, o ginagamit ni siya for fireworks and signals. For example, yon mawara sila sa bukid, magkuan din sila, magpabuto din, ma-locate din na nila location. Second is 10th and 12th centuries, the Chinese developed the Hukyang fire lance and short-range proto gun that channeled the explosive power of gunpowder through a cylinder, initially a bamboo tube. So nga di, during 10th to 12th century, ang Chinese is develop siya ng Hukyang. Ang pangalan niya siya is fire lance, o panday siya for short range da. So ang magyapon ni siya isa ka protogun na gihimo para mo buto. Then may sub shape na cylinder using a bamboo tube. Then 13th century develop of firearms followed in invention of gunpowder in Western Europe. So sa 13th century, i-develop ang firearms gasunod ngadto sa Western Europe. Then late 13th century, hand cannons in China. So pag late 13th century sab and hand cannons kanto ya imbento sa China. Then 1313, gunpowder as a propellant for a projectile. So hantod ng 1313, ang gunpowder is gigamit siya para mahimo na propellant para mo buto or mo lupa dito bala or projectile. So yan dito guys, amo neton peton ilan binto. Then sa 14, the matchlock gun appears. So unmatchlock guns mean tunga na. Then sa early 16th century, improvement including the wheel lock mechanism, in which a spinning wheel against metal plate showered sparks into a pan holding priming powder. So nga di sa early 16th century, so apil ang wheel lock mechanism iton mutuyok against the metal plate is gagamit gyapon siya ng priming powder. So amo naghihapon siya kuman na yon sa mga bala bitaw ng mga, for example yon sa mga rifle, may mga ano pa yan, may bakal na din sa ilaw, may gunpowder din projectile. So early 17th century, flintlock has a flint released by trigger mechanism that strikes a steel plate that showers sparks into the pan filled with powder. So early 17th century, flintlock is release na may yon may trigger na bitaw. Lain sa una kay iton sunogon mo bitaw iton amudanan sa amudan tanod. Din pag ano na pa iton, pag pabuto ka imo dito imo da di bali sa may hawidan, imo da ilaong din masunog itong gunpowder, din mo buto dayon, din mo lupa dayon itong projectile. Ini may yan ako ang trigger. So sa matchlock matchlock amo ini siya burning wick, ini burning wick, din flash pan cover, then flash pan. So di bali yon burning wick amin siya sunugon. Then pag mo pabuthon mo kadto yan siya sa flash pan cover. Then mo masunog din itong gunpowder, din mo buto. Then mo lupadan itong projectile. Sa wheel lock, the striker is a safe position. Flash pan cover, then flint, then flash pan with striker wheel. So nga di flint, jadi cock, side plate, frizzen, then pan spring, then flint lock, ignition. Amen siyang porma. Yadi yaon flint lock, ignition. So may spring yapon niya side plate. Flint lock yadi niya porma mo. So kan yapon ni siya mga sa una pa ng mga firearms. Then sa 17th century, paper box pistols used to flintlock systems, and the barrels had rotated by hand. So and kung ano, during 17th century, paper box pistol is gagamit siya ng flintlock system sa og aniya barrels na yon ma-rotate aniya matuyog na siya ginagamit sa alima. Then 1835, during 1835, revolvers took off the Samuel Colt produced his version. So during 1835, and revolvers is imbento ni Samuel Colt og iya kagalingon sa version. So amo ni niton matuyok-tuyok iton sa may babaw ng trigger itong 50 kung nabitaw. Then sa 1862 by Richard Jordan Gatling, the Gatling gun used hand crank mechanism shoot rapid fire machine gun. So nga di during 1862 yan binto ni Jordan Gatling ang Gatling gun, use a hand crank mechanism to shoot rapid fire. So machine gun di siyempre sunod-sunod ang buto yaon. Magawas sa iya barrel ang multiple projectiles. Then during 19th century, assault rifle during the World War. Putang ina, palit na kang pandesal ko. So during 19th century, assault rifle during the World War II. So nga di sa 19th century, imbento ang assault rifle during the World War II. So yadi paper box revolver. So amin ito matiktuyok yon tumoy yo. Inin tumoy nga din na part sa yon barrel. Ang tiktuyok yan siya. Kumbaga ma-rotate. Same da siya sa sa revolver, pero ang revolver, for example yan sa revolver, yaon niya, kumbaga magazine din niya. Bubutangan ng bala din may specific na barrel. Then sa Gatling gun, yadi da. Sa Gatling gun, murag kuan da siya yon, kamantingan sa helicopter yon. Mo spin meter siya pag mabuto, then mo gawas dayon, mo release dayon iton multiple bullets or projectile. Amin siyang itawag na machine gun guy, and mugawas siya na bala pag isa mo da ka pindot ng trigger or pull ng trigger, mugawas ang multiple na projectiles. Then sa yadi, firearms is an instrument used for the propulsion of projectile by means of expansive force gases coming from the burning gunpowder. So firearm is nagamit siya ng gunpowder para ma-release ang projectile o para mo buto. Kaya ano pa ito siyempre itong cartridge kung waray gunpowder o waray propellant or waray gunpowder lagi, dili mo buto. Ano pag buto waray force na mugawas gikan sa itong case na makapa lagpot ng projectiles. So legal definition R18591. So firearms refers to the any handled or portable weapon, whether a small arm or light weapon that expels a bullet shoot slugs, missiles, or any projectile which discharge means of expansive force of gases from burning, gunpowder, or other from combustion or any similar instrument or implement. So nga di, ang firearms is bisan taas siya or even mubo or bisan yan mga, for example yan mga airgun, ginatawag siya na firearms tungod kay may mugawas ang bala sa iya barrel using ano ba ito? Expansive force of gases. Yes, sabiban yon sa ato kuman ato mga updated ko na firearms, gamit gid sila ng gunpowder. Kaya sabiban nga gamit nan for example yung air gun, ang gamit nila is yon Flying Tiger. Ang nila projectile is yon gitawag na Jolin. So the barrel frame or receiver is considered a firearm. So yadi, magazine release number 1, then number 2 trigger guard, number 3 ako na ni handle. Yadi sa number 8 trigger, then sa number 10 is safety, rear and front sight, number 6, 7, then number 9 is slide. Then the major components of firearms frame, magazine release, yan do, trigger guard, front strap, grip, then back strap. So frame is a metal or polymer housing of handgun use which hold all other part is summed up the body of gun and is made up grip and trigger guard. So ang frame ang hold ng entire handgun na kumaga ang hold ng tanan parts ng pistol or itong firearms. So for example, ang frame sub, may frame sub sa bullet, di bale ang bullet sub, ang frame amo siya gahawid nan yung entire cartridge, for example projectile, gunpowder, or ano pa. So grip, the grip is a part of pistol's shooter hold. So ang grip amo siya ang part ng pistol na hawidan ng itong shooter or itong tao na magamit ng pistol. So sa trigger guard amoy mag-protect ng kuan na trigger para in case makuan siya for example accident nimo pag kuan pag butang adi dili siya mabuto kay may sa trigger guard. Not unless why trigger guard pag butang mo dito susagnat tapos ya ka kasaryon imo pistol, possible gid na mo buto. So magazine release amo yan magkuan yung pinuton para mo gawasan magazine. So barrel, so chamber nga di mo gawasan bala, din muzzle gawasanan ng bala gyapon. Nga di chamber gawasanan siya nan yaton cell. Then sa muzzle gawasanan siya ng projectile. Then sa rippling and bore found inside the barrel. So din rippling and bore nga to makita nimo sa ilawom nan pistol. So next is the barrel. So barrel is a tube the bullet passes through driving ignition. The longer barrel, the more time propellant gas will have to exert their energy against the bullet, produce faster muzzle velocity. So adi ang barrel amo yan siyaan nga mulabay ang eton propellant and projectiles. Then pag taas ani mo barrel, the more siya mo spin yaton imo projectile, din the more siya accurate ug mas kusog ug mas fast aniya velocity. So next is the bore, the interior surface of barrel. So bore yaw siya sa sud gyud nan barrel amo siya interior surface tanan, diba surface. So rifling land and grooves which rotate barrel to grant it gyroscopic stability and better accuracy. So in rifling may duha ka components wherein lands o grooves. So nga na mo rotate iton projectile, din the more siya mas stable o accurate siya. Kay siyempre mo spinan ang projectile. So muzzle, the front part of barrel where the bullet exits the barrel. So ang muzzle ngadto mo gawas ang bullet or projectile. So next is chamber, the cavity and the back end of barrel where the cartridge inserts prior to ignition. So nga di chamber, ang gitawag siya na cavity of at the back of end of barrel. So nga di mo isod eton prior ignition. Then next is chamber around. Chambering around means you have made cartridge ready to fire. So pag yon kasara mo bitaw mo ang bullet mo insert ngadto sa chamber or sa may dapit sa ano ito bore para imo na kan pisito niya tong trigger, then mo buto na dahil siya. So slide, front sight, rear sight, side cover plate, then trigger, then side lock. Amo itong safety. Slide, it is a upper part of pistol wherein imo siya slide if magpanggaw mag example and iton imo bullet magpabuto na ka imo na siya i-slide, imo siya move backward, then mo recoil lang siya or depende sa may automatic or automatic mo. Side lock, a mechanism which enables the shooter to keep inside the lock backward. So side lock amo siya ang mag-lock, di ba dili siya ma-slide, siyempre side lock na. Then slide cover plate, the simple protective face with attach the back of the slide. So inside cover plate ang may ga-protect sa likod ng slide. So sights, the front and rear sights are semi-auto pistol that are located at the top. So yan sa babaw nan iton sa may slide. Di bali may front o rear sight. Di bali action. Yan action, slide, recoil spring, o barrel, laman yung barrel, then frame. Then the action of a pistol, complex group of moving parts. So first trigger. So trigger kami siya the metal or polymer protrusion which force the action to ignite the chamber cartridge when squeeze. So ang trigger amo siya nimo i-squeeze para mubuto yaton iton projectile or iton cartridge. The next trigger bar. So a piece of metal which deactivates the handgun's internal safety mechanism which the trigger is pulled. So without the trigger bar, the place of striker cannot travel. So pairing pin, channel, ignite, primer. So trigger bar is amo sigapon yan itong safety. So recoil spring, piece of spring which the compress of slide moves backward. So amo ni siya. Yan yung recoil spring pag imo i-slide din pagbuyan mo balik siya mismo na mismo ang mo balik iton slide. Ang spring tungod dito sa spring naman mo balik iton slide. So guide rod, so prevents recoil spring from bending up under the recoil. So inin guide rod amo siya nga prevent na mo bend iton recoil spring. Then firing pin, it also known as a striker. The firing pin is a part of pistol which hits the cartridge. So inin firing pin amo yung hit nga to sa cartridge or sa primer, din mo buto dahil yun siya. So the firing pin spring, so returns the firing pins to ready to following ignition and also averts the accidental discharge. So inin firing pin spring amo siya pag imo siya kasar mulaong yan siya, din imo siya pag imo na siya trigger siya na mismo ang mulaong sa chamber or dito sa may may cell sa labot ng cell. Then the extractor, the component which removes the spin cases. So nga di extractor gawasananan yaton mga cases or iton cell ng iton bala. Sear, the part of trigger mechanism which holds the striker bolt or hammer back until the shooter has sufficiently squeezed the trigger. So ang sear amoy maghawid ng striker bolt or hammer back when until the shooter has sufficiently squeezed to the trigger. So ay maghawid until the itong shooter iyan na i-squeeze itong trigger, then buyanday niya, then mubuto dahil. Then hammer, the part of handgun which strikes or force firing pin to strike the primer of the chambered cartridge. Depending on the design, you may need to cock a pistol hammer backward prior firing the first shoot or every shoot. So nga di, an hammer, depende ni siya guys sa pistol na may mga hammer ya iban expose ko dahil na hammer nila. For example, yan sa revolver may hammer niya, iton laong dito sa babaw, then amo iton mag-hit nan bullet iton sa bala. Safety, any mechanism which when engaged makes the handgun inoperable. Never treat a handgun like harmless once safety is on. The safety is supplement to responsible firearm handling. It should be the only degree of security you depend on the prevent on intentional discharge. So safety importante ni siya, especially sa mga handgun. Kay for example makasayod slide na ba yaon, then wala safety, then ma-squeeze mo or accident na nimo, for example pabutang nimo sa imo yan ano yung butangan na pistol, masagnat di boto, loy kuya yan. So gray barrel, then sa dark red recoil spring, then green recoil spring guide, then yellow trigger, light blue trigger bar, then sa white firing pin spring, the light green disconnector, then red sphere, sa red sphere, then purple firing pin block with the lifter arm, sa brown firing pin block, then orange hammer, then pink main spring strut, then the dark blue is hammer main spring, then light purple main spring. So mini siya guys. Yan. So cartridge ejection, the ejector, the extractor has notch into the which a cartridge stream first snugly. It pulls spin cartridge backward with a slide. So extractor ejector is attached the gun frame and has small ramp front that pushes spent cartridge upward. So together, the extractor and the ejector send used cartridge upward to the outward clearing of the chamber. So amo siya extractor o ejector, gikuha niyan siya amoy mag enter or magsud nan cartridge ngadto sa may bore, din ang extractor amoy magawas nan iton case ngadto sa pistol. Then rules on gun safety: treat all guns as if they are always loaded. So sa tanan gyud dapat pistol, even yon mga example yon mga airgun or inidakan na mga pistol, dapat i-treat mo siya na yaoy bala tungod kay siyempre ang aksidente di gid nimo ma-predict. Then number 2, never let the muzzle cover anything that you are not willing to destroy. So ayaw i-point yan ton muzzle wala itong tumuinan pistol ngadto sa biskan abay point and muzzle sa biskan hain, not unless willing ka na imong pabuthan. Then number 3, keep your firing off the trigger. So dapat trigger off ka, ayaw trigger in kay base saka ka nun makuha kang demonyo squeeze mo iton trigger. Then number 4, be sure of your target and what lies beyond. Dapat sure ka sa imong target, dapat sure ka na imong gid siya pabuthan. So classification of firearms according to the interior barrel construction. 1, smooth bore firearms. So firearms that have no rifling land. So and smooth bore firearms amo ni siya iton mga bore na waray lands o grooves, ginatawag yan siya na smooth bore. So number 2, rifle bore firearms that have rifling inside the gun barrel. So adi sa rifle bore Basta may rifle na siya, it means may rippling. So, inside the barrel, di bali may lands o grooves. So, rifle and shotgun bore. So, rifle or shotgun barrel, the bore of a rifle or handgun is grooved, which pulls the spiral spin on the bullet, greater accuracy. So, kaya na nga ni topic na to na ang lands o grooves, makatabang siya for better para mo mas accurate and flight nan yaton ato projectile. If waray land o grooves, it's either doldan iya abdan hinay dili hawd sa may land o grooves sa mga rifle. So, according to the caliber of projectile propelled 1 artillery refers to those type firearms that propels projectile with a more than 1 inch diameter. So, ammunition dagko ng mga ano pa iton? Dagko ng mga bore or muzzle o kausanan ng bala. So, example, cannons, mortars, and bazooka. Dagko yon mga bala, guys. Yari na mortar, oh. Amo ni siya. Mortar, cannon, yadi. So, bazooka, yadi, oh. Ako, Yay, sana all. Papaptol. According the caliber of the projectile propelled. Number 2, small arms. So, are firearms that propels projectile with less than 1 inch diameter and it can be handled, moved, operated by one man. So, ammunition ng gagmay na mga firearms na kaya i-handle nan isa da ka tao or isa da ka enton sundalo. Isa da. Kumbaga, madadadad siya biskan hain. Example, machine gun, shoulder arms, and handgun. Yadi. Number 1, machine gun. So, machine gun is a type of firearms that is primarily designed for military use. A type of weapon which fires or designed to fire automatically or semi-automatically more than one shot without a manual reloading by a single press of trigger. So, kaya na guys, gilawang ko na sa iyo and inin machine gun is mo magawa sa iya bore or sa iya muzzle multiple bullets with one squeeze of the trigger. Sa machine gun, it is a light portable form of machine gun utilizing a pistol size ammunition having a shoulder stock that may or may not folded, designed for fired with both hands. So, sa machine guns, amo siya pon siya light organized siya. Tapos kung may bala niya na madadagay pon siya biskan hain. Then same gyapon siya guys. Pang gyapon siya yay gyapon ini siya may semi or automatic. Yadi da guys. Sa machine gun yadi. Kalimutang pangalan ni pero ammunition sa machine gun. Gamay-gamay gid siya sa machine gun. Yadi machine gun. So, shoulder arms, those type firearms that were normally fired from the shoulder. For example, yan mga AK or rifle. Mayadi, carbine. So, shoulder weapon designed to projectile with more accuracy through long bore barrel usually more than 20 inch. So, may rifle na shoulder arms. So, carbine, a short barrel with not longer than 20 inch fire single projectiles, and rifle bore either semi-automatic or fully automatic for every press of the trigger. So, amin siyang kalainan nila guys. And rifle is more than 20 inch, then ang carbine is not longer than 20 inch. Then rifle yadi guys, then carbine. Murag karaan sa ning carbine, then rifle is updated siya na firearms. So, muskets is an ancient smoothbore or muzzle loading military shoulder arms designed to fire shoot or single round lead bull. So, ito kabantay ka mo yan, ikuang bitaw sa muzzle, ilawang ng tusok or ato magbutang nan ito ligin na mo bulitas na iputang, din manual na siya, din puto dahil siya pabutang, pwede na siya pabutang. The shotgun is a smoothbore and breech loading shoulder designed to fire a number of leaded pellets. So, ang kalainan nini, Ang gamit sa mga example rifle is projectile gid siya. Yun isa da yung dagko ay. Ang nga di shotgun is pellet siya. Yung gagmay na mga bulitas. Yari musket so. My mind when class gets noisy. Shotgun. So the barrel construct of a shotgun may also found a different bore. So may two types gapon na bore sa shotgun. First cylinder bore types which the bore is size same through the barrel. So same siya tanan. Di bali ka na di sa barrel largo sa muzzle. Same din size. Sa choke bore gun ang kuha na niya is di bali ang sabor dako din paggawas niya sa muzzle is kuan mo gamay siya din amo niya buto is kuan da siya di bali gatipon da ngatan like sa cylinder barrel na bungkag siya. Paradox guns and bearer next is paradox gun. So in a very rare occasion, another type of shotgun can be observed not be having a rifling only a few inches from the muzzle point. So ano yung paradox guns? Rifle niya pero for example ini entire niya bore. Di bali katunga niyon aniya rifle. An may rifle katunga dayon sa tumo. Gikan sa tumo di bali katunga dayon may rifle niya. Sa single barrel shotgun, it's loaded with a single shotgun cartridge closed, fired and deloaded by the shooter. So iton single barrel shotgun, manual ni mo na isod iton iya pellet or iton iya bala. Bali single pagbuto, bala na sabgaw. Sa double barrel shotgun, the two barrels may be side by side. They are be the one over the another. Each barrel may be have its own trigger. Ya isab ko an double barrel shotgun, duha siya ka barrel. Then di bali kada kilid dito lawang bitaw din imo i-reload duha ka bala. Then possible sa maya isa-isa na trigger. Pump action shotgun operates some manners and as a slide action rifles by means of sliding lever under the barrel. So itong shotgun na may slide sa ubos na niya barrel. Wala imo da i-slide din buto na sa slide na sa gawas mo extract na iton seal nan itong pellets buto na sa gaw sa auto loading shotguns. So these are the same auto loading or self loading rifles in the recoil action reload the gun from magazine without any effort of part of shooter. So nga di auto loading shotgun amo ito, auto load siya. Ya din single, ya din double, may kagalingon di bali trigger kada bore. Dinya din slide, dinya di ang auto loading ya di. Din hand arms, so a gun designed for use one hand. So pistol or revolver or anything na mga ganaida na mga pistol or armas. First, revolver and firearms equipped with a rotating cylinder will serve as a magazine. Di ba lang okay na ang revolver iton mo spin niya na butanan bala ang magitawag na magazine. Place cartridge into position for firing. Single action, a type of revolver that needs a manual cocking of the hammer before squeezing the trigger. So single action, iton manual na niya mo. Double action, a type of revolver that does not need manual cocking. So amay in double action, dili na need na manual cocking. Increase the trigger in the both cock and release the hammer, causing much faster firing. Pistol, a short barrel firearms designed for the fire single projectile to rifle bore for every press of trigger. So pistol, gamay siya na pistol firearms wherein pwede siya gamitan ng one arms. Then pag i-press mo na yung trigger is mugawas ang bala sunod-sunod. Iton one projectile sunod-sunod. So pistol yadi guys, mubo siya guys sa revolver. Ang revolver is taas. So firearms according to type of action, single shot firearms designed to fire only one shot. So single shot firearms is gidesign siya for only one shot, and dapat reloaded each time the firearm is fired. Dapat pagbuto reload na sabkaw, pagbuto reload na sabkaw. So repeating arms, so type of firearms designed to fire several loads, so shot in one loading, have an extra cartridge or shoot shells, ready with magazine, cylinder or extra barrel. So ang mediseton, repeating firearms, for example mga automatic pistol, rifles and shotgun. Di bali ito may mga reserve dito ng mga magazine guys. Pagbuto pak pak, pagbuto mo sunod-sunod din pagkaw man panasabgaw bala na sab nadalagit ton manual gid na pagbuto bala na sabgaw ng isa, pagbuto bala na sabgaw ng isa. Ini may kuan kumbaga may magazine na. So automatic firearms, so type of firearms that constitute continuous firing a single press of the trigger and while the trigger is pressed. So for example, number 1 is machine gun. Squeeze mo ng trigger is mawawas na ito multiple na projectiles sa iya bore or sa iya muzzle. So semi-automatic firearms, sa firearms required to separate pull of trigger for each shot fired, which use the energy discharge to perform portion with operating the firing cycle. So nga di semi-automatic firearms, amin siyang lain siya sa automatic firearms. Ini kay pagbuto pak 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 pak, unlike sa automatic firearms na isa mo na ka squeeze mugawas na ng multiple na projectiles. Slide action type, so types of firearms which loading take place back and front manipulation or under over forearms of the guns, sample shotguns or pan pistol. So slide action yaton mga may mga slides na raw sa pistol, shotguns sa ubos ng bore. So number 6, bolt action type, type of firearms in which reloading takes place by manipulating bolt hand back the fort or rifle shotguns. Itong skilled bolt action. So lever action type, brake type, loading takes place lever action generally below the receiver, sample mga rifle shotgun. Same gihapon siya sa number 6. So number 8, brake action, also known as high action, to load cartridge to release latch and barrel brakes or swing downward exposing the breech the back of the barrel where the manually insert the ammunition. So brake action, ito manual na insert iton ammunition or iton bala. Dito guys. So bolt action adi. Then sa lever action adi subspeakers. Then miscellaneous guns. Letter E, gas guns. This always be found the shape, size used for firing tear gas forms disable gases. So gas guns, gamit siya ng mga gas para mo buto. So traps, these are designed to be set in the woods and leave animals will encounter them. They may fire bullet or poison charge to depending their construction. Traps, aman mga traps sa bukid gamit ng mga animals para sa animals. So freaks device, this abnormal strange or disguised weapon that look like a weapon but can be used as one. So number 1, cane. It's a walking cane or stick or hide small. Yari guys, amo ni siya ang cane. Di bali kuan siya yon. Tukod bilang matiguang, pero may kuan ba? Pwede siya muna pistola or firearms. So knife pistol, a weapon combining knife and firearms in one device. So yari guys, gikuan siya combine an knife o pistol. Next is tools. So there's a number of tools using cartridge which are designed to drive studs, punch holes, or cut stable. Such as tools may be encountered in the investigation of an accident. Mga di, namin ni guys. So zip guns. So this may be in a form since the name was applied on all homemade guns. A great many of class will be found to be exceedingly clever mechanism and most effective weapon. So multi-barrel guns, the particular one of fine guns having their 4 barrels are mounted in the one receiver. So many guys, diyan sa karaan, sa jeep guns, ini, then last, yari na pistol. Flare guns used in case such as in sending signals. So flare guns, ginagamit ni siya para mag-send ng signals. For example, mga ka sa bukid, kabuto ka, then ma-locate na nimo location kung hain ito ka ng buto. Harpoon guns, bird spear in the hunting large fish. So yadi guys, yadi ang pinakawain po flare guns, then ini eton harpoon guns, ang mini siyang panghunting ng mga isda. So men behind the firearms manufacturer, so John Browning, with your modern firearms are pioneered the breech loading single shot. So si John Browning, isa siya ka modern firearms and pioneered as a breech loading single shot rifle which adapted by Winchester. Number 2, Samuel Colt, ang may invento ng Colt famous revolver in the history. Then Alexander John Forsyth, the father of percussion powder. Since Colonel Calvin H. Goddard, father of modern ballistic. Then si John C. Garand designed the M1 Garand. So siyang ga-design ng M1 Garand, first semi-automatic rifle to be the standard issue infantry rifle US military. Number 7, Eugene Stoner designed the US M16 Armalite under the license by Colt Company from July 1959 onwards. So number 8, si John T. Thompson, the inventor of Thompson submachine gun, the Tommy gun, when the portable fully automatic weapon. So siyang ka-invento ng Thompson machine gun. The number 8, si Horace Smith and Daniel B. Wesson, founders of Smith and Wesson, the pioneered breech loading firearms, the developed first repeating rifle, the Volcanic. Sila and pioneered kanya ka-develop ng first repeating rifle. The number 10 is si David Carbine, William Makers, the first known the carbine. So siyang gayon mo ng first carbine. Oliver Winchester, one of the earliest rifle of pistol maker and early manufacturer who helped popularize repeating rifles, giving his name to the famous Winchester repeating the army company. Number 11 is si Mikhail Kalashnikov, the Russian designer of AK-47, the most widely used assault rifle in history. So M4E1, yadi siya. Then M16 E1, then the IWI Galil Ace 22, and then K1, K2 C1, then Glock 17, then Beretta 92 FS, then Jericho 941, then Armscore Colt 1911, then Nigiv, the M60 ba, M240, then Victor, then HK MP 5E3, then 9mm, then Chris Victor, Victor, then Ingram Mach 10, then M14, then SR25 Barrett M82, then PSG1. So amin na siya guys. That's all. Salamat sa pamati. Thank you.